July 31st, and here's a quick video of our latest project, 1310 Hartrey. We're going to be looking at Unit 1, which is a flip-flop of Unit 3 and vice versa. Check it out. Stair going to the second level. Lots of volume. Exposed ductwork like in a lot of loft spaces. Bay window that you can see from the front. We're not going to be taking any exterior pictures today because the landscaping is in process. Lots of volume, lots of light. Check out the kitchen here. Custom fabricated cabinets and a good grade of appliances, the usual stuff. It's the utility room we'll look at last. Our normal gracious bathroom, walk-in shower, dual flush toilet, growy faucets and trim. Shower is about 4 feet by 7. Utility room, high efficiency furnace, wash tub, washer dryer, individual hot water heater, high efficiency, separate electrics, all sorts of room to put up a row of standing shelving, lots of storage space for a unit this size. Kitchen again. And this is it for Unit 1 at 1310 Hartrey, some test video. Thank you very much.